ready for boarding. So we're here at JF Kennedy Airport. So sasakay kami ng Delta papunta sa Florida, Orlando.
Trying to find your way again. I'm seeing your tears. I'm hearing you cry.
Levels of right in the aisle. See your hand and make sure that you have the correct brand.
I won't walk away. I promise I'll stay. Yeah. I promise I'll stay. If you could see what I see, the lonely nights overcome. You'd be proud, yeah, believe me. You'd be proud. Child, you've already won. Yeah, there's nothing you could do to keep my heart from you. Just keep your head up high. Hold your head up high. I know sometimes there are things you don't understand. Broken roads, faded dreams. Been trying to find your way again. I'm seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries, but know that I'll never leave your side, even in the change. I won't walk away. No, I promise I'll stay. Promise I'll stay. Yeah. I'll never leave, you know. I'll never leave, you know that I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave, you know. I'll never leave, you know that I'll never leave your side. No, I'll never leave, you know that I'll never leave. I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave, you know that I'll never leave, you know I'll never leave your side. I know sometimes there are things you don't understand. Broken roads, faded dreams. Been trying to find your way again. I'm seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries, but know that I'll never leave your side. Even in the change, they might walk away, but I promise I'll stay.
Hello mga kaibigan, good afternoon. So today ay kararating ko lang dito sa Orlando, Florida, and kaka-check-in ko lang dito sa aking hotel. Yung name pala ng hotel is Fairfield Suites by Marriott Village dito sa Orlando, Florida. So I will be staying here for 2 days, and this is the first day na nag-arrive tayo dito sa Florida. So i-room tour ko kayo, a quick room tour sa aking nabook na hotel. So tara, let's have a room tour. So ito yung CR. So meron tayong sink dito, and then meron tayo dito mga hanger para sa mga damit. Meron tayo dito toilet, and dito yung shower area. So maluwag naman siya. So ito yung CR, and then pagdating dito, ito na yung 2 queen size bed. So dalawa ito. So meron ditong isa, and meron ditong isa. And meron ding TV, merong side table. So nakalagay dito, welcome Rodel Agapido, thank you for staying at the Fairfield Inn dito sa Orlando, Florida. And yun, maganda naman yung room natin. And sa window side, makikita mo yung pool area. So meron ditong pool area. So this is the view of Orlando, Florida. So meron tayong pa-pool dito. So tingnan natin kung makakaligo tayo kasi malamig din sa labas. So yun, ito yung quick room tour natin. Hi guys, good morning. I am here at Florida, here in Orlando, and I am here at Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott Village. And ngayon ay pupunta kami sa Walt Disney World dito sa Florida. And tingnan natin kung ano yung makikita doon. So mamaya itutur ko kayo and explore natin yung Walt Disney here in Florida, Orlando. So this is the view of our hotel here in Orlando. Fairfield Inn Suites. So napakaganda, no? Ang laid back. So yun, yung mga fountain. So this is the view of my hotel. We're here at Walt Disney World, the most magical place on earth.
I'm okay, I'm okay. 난 괜찮아, 괜찮아. 이제 그만 날 피하지 마. 그 분명한 말도 안 돼. 나를 봐봐. 널 위해 많이 고민했어. 고른 멜로디.
Welcome to Walt Disney in Florida.
나를 봐봐. I think about you every day.
Magic Freedom Monorail. Tingnan natin.
이렇게 힘을 내줘. 어디로 갔는지 몰라도 우리 함께 alright 손을 잡아 힘을 내줘. 내 곁에서라면 그대 늘 바랬던 It's my life. 너와 꿈을 향해 이 노래를 부를게.
And they all live happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Welcome to Disneyland!